Knowing how to change a tire is a vital skill every driver should possess. Imagine a flat tire on a busy highway or during a storm. Being able to act quickly can save you time and stress. First, ensure safety by pulling over to a flat, stable surface away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights and engage the parking brake to prevent any movement. Gather your tools, a spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench. It is also helpful to have a flashlight if you are changing a tire in low light conditions. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the flat tire, turning them counterclockwise. Do not remove them completely yet, as the tire should remain on the ground for stability. Next, position the jack under the vehicle's designated lifting point and raise the car until the flat tire is off the ground. Now, remove the loosened lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Place the spare tire onto the hub, aligning the holes with the bolts. Hand tighten the lug nuts onto the bolts to secure the spare. Once secure, lower the vehicle back to the ground. Finally, tighten the lug nuts fully using the lug wrench, ensuring they are secure in a star pattern for even distribution. Keeping a spare tire in good condition and checking your tools regularly can make all the difference during an emergency.